Hi everyone, Tessie here. First I want to thank the company for sending me the shower head for this unboxing video and honest review, so let's dive in. Alright, we have Teflon tape, the shower head. This is the bracket to mount the shower head. A 60-inch stainless steel hose, 2 extra washers, 1 extra grid washer, and the instruction manual. We're going to install this thing, and the first thing you want to do is put the Teflon tape on there to prevent leaks. You want to go around this way, yeah, so then it doesn't unravel when you go to put the shower head on. Okay, now we take the bracket and we install that. So you take the side with the washer and you put it right here where you just put the Teflon tape. So just righty-tighty. So you just want to hand tighten it, no more than that. And this is a little crooked here, so I'm just going to take it back just a touch because this is where the hose is going to be attached. Now it's time to attach the hose. So you just take one end and put it in here. Just pull that right off, lefty-loosey, to get it off. It comes with a washer in there, so we just to keep everything nice and snug. So I'll just put this on. Of course, righty-tighty. Now the other end goes into the shower head. Take that off. Also comes with a washer in there. That's the shower head. Right again. Okay, and then we can just rest it right in there. We did it. We're gonna check it out, see what the pressure is like, and check the different settings. There are 3 different settings. Okay. All right. Oh, look at that pressure. Oh, very exciting. So that's one setting, and then this is where you would change the settings. There's another one, and then there's one more. Wow, this is great. Really good pressure. So this is a filtered shower head, so I'm going to show you where you go. You just, to find the filter, just take this off right here. And there it is. Just slides right out. That's it. Really easy to replace when you need to replace it. And just pop this back on. Again, easy. The filter actually removes 99.99% of chlorine, heavy metals, and sediment. So it's perfect for preventing dry, itchy skin and protecting your hair too. Plus the back silicone massage brush. See here, right here, it's silicone. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a little massage brush. Wow, I can't wait to use that. And I love the black finish. I think it looks really, really nice. Very excited about this. Can't wait to use it.